What's up YouTube? It's your girl Kiana Rashida back again with another video. Before we get into this video, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also make sure you put your notifications on for every time I post a video. As you can see, I'll be working with a company off Amazon. This is a sponsored video. So this company is from Nancy Best here on Amazon. It is a 13x4, 22 inch, 180% density, and it's an HD frontal lace. And y'all, when I mean this hair is everything, this hair is everything. I did customize the wig the night before, so I bleached the knots, I washed it with shampoo and conditioner, and I also plucked my hairline as well. I plucked the lace. And that's about it. Like, I didn't really do too much. I usually let my wigs air dry the night before. I don't like to blow dry because for me, I feel like that takes a lot of time to do. And also, it's better when you let it air dry because it just comes out more softer and fluffy and everything. I don't know. I just like it to air dry. I don't like to blow dry my units. I really don't. But we're going to get into the details of this hair, like the packaging and everything. So before I even talk about the packaging and everything, this company sent me the wig. So they sent me this wig on the 15th and I got it yesterday, which was November 18th. So it wasn't that long for them to ship it to my, you know, house or whatever. But yeah, so it didn't take that long. And then also they sent it in this satin bag, as you can see. And what came inside of it, it didn't come with a lot of stuff. It didn't come with a lot of stuff, but so it came with the wig cap, 2 wig caps inside. It came inside this plastic, and it says 22 inches on it. Yeah, 22 inches on it. And then they also sent me a little head tie scrunchie. This is so cute. And that was it. Y'all, this hair is so soft and it had no smell. Like, I took out the package and it was no smell. The knots were pretty little. It's not that big at all, but it was easy to manage and plug, and it was easy to curl the hair. And I believe this is not 1B. This looks black. It looks black. And y'all, I love black. Yeah, I think it's black. This hair is like so pretty. But enough talking. We're gonna get straight into this video and let's get into the install.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil. pas de soleil, 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 pas de pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil. pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god, I love this so much. Like, yes! Oh my god, I did this. Like, I really did this. This hair is so soft. Like, y'all. And I did my makeup. Yes, I did. I did my makeup. So yeah, guys, reached the end of my video. Like I said, make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed, and also give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what you think about this hair. What you think about my makeup? Cause y'all, I'm not that good at my makeup, but I'm getting a little better. I'm getting there. I'm really getting there. But all the links will be down in the description box, and yeah. So I'm just feeling myself. I really feel myself. Like, I really love this wig. I really love this wig. But yeah, y'all, that's about it. So stay tuned for the next video, and I really do appreciate you guys. And I'm out, y'all. Bye.